Hey, girl. Well, I gotta be honest with you. I really don't want to hear none of that drama today. I'm just looking forward to 2020. You know, it's gonna be my year. I know I said the same thing about 2019, but I didn't follow through with all my plans. But 2020, listen, I got so many things that I want to do, so many things that I want to accomplish. I feel like I really need to dive in and figure out what my purpose is and how I can really start making money from that, because I can't do this job thing. I want to travel the world making money, doing what I love to do. I'm tired of these dead-end relationships. I'm tired of not being able to really figure out, you know, who I am and what I'm here to do. And who's having this event? Jameelah Auset. So yeah, please send me that link. Let me see how I can make 2020 my year. All right, girl. Thank you. Bye. Free the feminine. You know what? Let me get this ticket. Got no time to waste because 2020 is my year.